I figure I'll do a little progress report on my wiring to the door power ports I'll be installing soon. So first you're going to want to take a bunch of plastic off, the door seals front and back, and then you'll be able then unbolt the seat belt. Then you'll be able to pull this plastic panel off, and then from there you're going to want to unplug the connector that goes to the door right here, and then you'll be able to pull this plastic out. Gives you a little more wiggle room. You'll be reinstalling it later. It's just 3 little clips, super easy to take out. You can see right there. There's the other one. There's 3 clips. Then you disconnect, try to disconnect it. Then you'll be able to pull this rubber grommet out. Pull this one out as well. And then you'll have this fished out over here. But you want to pull it out a little more so you can actually fish the wire through. To do that, you'll need to take your door speaker out. And right in here, you'll see there's a little clip right here. Pop this clip. And then you'll have another clip here. Pop this clip. That's the factory harness in the door. That allows it a lot of wiggle room for you to be able to pull this out completely. Once it's completely out, I just took a coat hanger, shoved it through, and that allowed me to fish my wire. And once I got my wire here, I just taped it to the coat hanger, sprayed some, I love using silicone spray. This is a wet type, there's a dry type you can use as well. A little silicone spray on there, and it just pulled right through. You see right here, you can see the wires all ran through. I zip tied it with the factory harness so it'll be out of the way, won't catch the window when you roll it down. Ran it exactly how basically how the factory one ran, and it comes out right here. You can see it comes right out, and the power port, the door power port's going to be right here. I left myself a little extra wire just in case. Now I just got to run the rest of the wire to where I'll be getting power from. I'll be keeping these constant hot, as well as all my aftermarket accessories are always hot, separate from the factory circuit. And here we are so far. There it is. It's all wired up. This switch, USB switch, actually has an on and off switch on it. Where my battery's at now, 12.8. Still wiring right there. It's all ran through the factory boot, through here, and out the back to my fuse block that I have already in the back. You can finish shrink wrapping this. But there it is. You can see there's only one clip holding this in. Snaps in just fine. Makes it easy to take out later. Did it to the back one.